Aam Panna. Take 2 large raw mangoes. Peel them and slice into big chunks. Add enough water to cover the pieces. Now, add a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, half a teaspoon of chili powder, black pepper if you like, black salt, regular salt, and half a cup of sugar. Cook this until the mangoes turn soft. Let it cool down completely. Transfer everything to a blender, water included, and blend into a smooth concentrate. Pour into glasses over ice cubes. Garnish with fresh mint, top up with chilled water, and serve.